Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Real Talk Bougie, guys. Happy Monday, or whenever you are watching this, guys. I have a update for you on a matter, okay? Yes, it is the Jennifer and her husband, Christian Walden matter, okay? Um about 2 weeks ago, there was a document. Basically, Christian's lawyer filed a non-payment of fees back on January 2nd. It was a motion to withdraw. Let me show you guys. Ooh, let me pull this up. Okay. On January 2nd, he filed a motion to withdraw. I will have that linked below if you're not sure what that is. What does that mean? Friend, what happened? I guess I missed that video. I don't know. Okay. He filed a motion to withdraw on January 2nd. Well. Look what happened. Okay. Let's share this page on January 17th. Guess what, guys? Guess what? Let's get into it. Lo and behold, okay, Christian has paid his bill. Okay. Because look what happened. Same case number 15 CR 1187. That is his false imprisonment charge that he is currently still doing probation. On January 17th comes now the undersigned counsel for the defendant in the above styled case. Okay, State of Georgia versus Christian Walden, case number 15 CR 1187. Respectfully moves the honorable court to withdraw the previously filed motion to withdraw. I want to withdraw the motion to withdraw, please. As counsel in support of this motion, counsel shows the following. Number one, guess what? The defendant has paid the outstanding balance to counsel, resolving the financial matter that prompted the initial motion to withdraw as counsel. Let's stop right there for a second. So Christian did not pay his lawyer fees, okay? And if you remember, the attorney stated that basically he had been moving hell and high water, had contacted on numerous occasions, and Sir just would not pay his bill, which forced him to have to file the motion to sever as the attorney and to be no longer on record as working with this particular client. So now all of a sudden, I'm going to just say after Christian got dragged on the internet, I guess he decided, or maybe Jennifer decided to pay her husband's bill because, baby, that was embarrassing. Girl, that was embarrassing. I cannot imagine how embarrassing that was. Let's take a look at it really quick. This is the motion filed on January 2nd. I did do a whole video on this, but let's just go to the key points of the defendant has failed to adhere to the terms of the retainer agreement and has not paid the agreed upon fees. Now, could the lawyer still have the motion to withdraw in effect, even though he did get caught up? I mean, at the end of the day, I would imagine that point number one in the motion is that the defendant failed to adhere to the terms of the retainer agreement. So that's a breach of contract right there, right? And has not paid the fee. It's not just hasn't paid the fees, it's failed to adhere to the terms of the retainer agreement. So breach of contract and has not paid for the fees, right? Despite repeated requests and efforts to secure payment, including numerous communications from counsel, the defendant has not satisfied the payment obligations as stipulated in the contract, quote unquote, agreement. Okay. Counsel has made multiple attempts to contact the defendant to resolve the payment issue. Girl, he got dragged. Okay. Dragged So just see my other video and you will see all of that information. Let's get back to today, which this was filed on the 17th. And I mean, we're just getting to it, and that's okay. Understandably, Christian decided to go ahead and pay his bill, or maybe Jennifer did. Getting dragged for not paying attorney's fees is not cute. Okay. Number two, there is no ethical or professional issue requiring counsel's withdrawal from representation. No ethical or professional. I mean, I think the lawyer's just trying to save face at this moment and, keep his client, and that's fine. The professional issue would have been breach of contract for failure to adhere to the terms of the retainer agreement. So I think that that's not true, but you want to keep your client, okay? Counsel is willing and able to continue representing the defendant in this matter. So I'm going to stay on the case, okay? Which was very nice. And wherefore counsel respectfully requests that the honorable court grant this motion to withdraw the previously filed motion to withdraw as counsel this day, the 16th day of January 2025. Okay. Okay. Look, paying your bills is not, you don't get a cookie for paying your bills. You don't get a cookie for paying your bills. You get the services that you are paying for to be rendered and all of those things. Nobody's giving out cookies for handling your business. Okay. Jennifer and CG are, they're an interesting couple. And baby, I don't even know what to say. CG has drama coming and going. Jennifer has had drama coming and going since she started dealing with this guy. There's always seems to be something looming around about money. Prior to the wedding, there was the whole situation of his restitution. Sir is in and out of child support court. He's got 3 children, and let the baby moms tell it. Not a consistent pattern of payment of the necessary funds to support and raise these children that he has made, the Walden children. Okay. So that seems to be at issue and in court currently. I do have an update regarding the Las Vegas wedding shenanigans. Did they get married at a hotel? Did they get married at one of those Las Vegas chapels? What actually happened? Stay tuned for my next update on the matter, and I will get you guys all up to date. Are Jennifer and CG married? Absolutely. They're married. They just didn't get married in Paris like they would want us to believe. They had a nice event. They, like Jennifer says, they had a spiritual wedding, but did they actually get married in Paris? No, they got married in Las Vegas. Okay. And when I do the update, what happened in Vegas is not staying in Vegas. Okay. What happened in Vegas will be talked about. They got married in December, not September. And they got married the legal way on the Las Vegas strip at one of those little chapels, and I'll tell you more about it in my next update. Make sure to tap in. Make sure, if you're new here, subscribe to this channel for updates, and we will talk about it. But yes, Christian has satisfied his non-payment to his lawyer, and guess what? His lawyer is back on the case and available, so that if another situation comes up for Christian as it pertains to this case, Christian can be well taken care of by a lawyer that is already familiar with the situation of what was going on. Okay, guys, make sure, again, like I said, subscribe to this channel, set your notifications, and I will see you next time. Take care, guys. Bye.